Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss some numerical based on the open delta or VV connection. I am going to discuss the two numerical based on this VV connection. This is the example number 1. I have given 900 kVA load. That is the total load is given 900 kVA. We have supplied by 3-phase transformer connected in delta connection. The primaries are connected to 2300 volt, and while the secondaries are connected to 230 volt. This is delta connection. Primary is to 300 volt and secondary is this 230 volt. If one transformer is removed for repair, what load can the remaining two transformers supply without overloading? What are the currents on high voltage side and low voltage side in VV connection? So these things we have to find, right? Now 900 kVA delta load is there. E1, that is the line voltage is given, E1 line voltage, and this is given E2 line voltage. And we know in case of delta, line voltage and phase voltage will be same. Okay, so here this is the E1 line and this is the E2 line is given. Okay, so load in delta connection कितना दिया 900 into 10 raised to power 3, 900 kVA, 900 into 10 raised to power 3 equal to क्या होता है √3 VL1 IL1. 900, that is P equal to क्या होता है √3 VL IL, because in volt ampere it is in kilovolt ampere or volt ampere, so this will be in this one. अगर ये watts में दिया होता so यहाँ पर cos phi भी आ जाता. Okay, so you can get directly IL1. What is the value of IL1? IL1 equal to 900 into 10 raised to power 3 upon this √3 into VL1 कितना दिया, VL1 is 2300, because it is EL1 or VL1. So if you solve it, you will get, I'm using the calculator, I'm getting 225.9 ampere I'm getting IL1. Okay, so this is on the high voltage side, na? This is on the high voltage side. So this is the IL1, or you can say IL high voltage side, you can say. Okay, so you can find the phase current per phase. I1 phase on high voltage side कौन सा delta, I1 phase current क्या होगा, phase current होगा 225.9 upon √3. voltages are same in delta, currents are different, so phase current क्या होगा 225.9 upon √3. so I am getting phase current कितना आएगा 130.4 ampere. so I got this is the phase current on primary side. Clear na? So we can find the phase current on the secondary side or low voltage side. We know I2 upon I1 phase current, I2 upon I1 equal to what? E1 upon E2 per phase. Whatever the calculation we are going to do here, it is in per phase basis. So what is the value of I2 phase? Okay, that is the value of E1 phase कितना है 2300, because in delta voltage will be same, line voltage and phase voltage will be same. 2300 upon 230 into I1 phase current कितना है 130 0.4. So I am getting I2 फेज करंट कितना मिल रहा है आपको, से 10 टाइम्स बढ़ जाएगा. इट इज 1304 एम्पियर. आई एम गेटिंग इट. Okay, so I got it. I2 phase current equal to 1304 ampere. So in delta, now I'm going to discuss the open delta operation in case of open delta. Now in case of open delta, suppose करो like this is the primary and this is the secondary. सेकेंडरी करंट क्या होता है इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा, आई एल इक्वल टू व्हाट, आई फेज इंटू √3. बट अगर एक फेज ओपन हो जाए, दिस इज रिमूव्ड, क्या होगा, दिस करंट एंड दिस करंट विल बी सेम. दिस इज द फेज करंट एंड दिस इज द लाइन करंट विल बी सेम, राइट ना, क्योंकि यहाँ ये है ही नहीं, तो वट एवर द करंट इज हियर सेम करंट विल कम हियर, वट एवर द करंट इट इज टेकिंग सेम करंट विल कम हियर. इसका मतलब है इन केस ऑफ ओपन डेल्टा line current and phase current will be same. Okay, so I am going to take next page and we will find the this connection. I'm just in case of open delta. Okay, so in case of open delta, I am going to use it. In case of open delta, VV connection, that is called as open delta. Phase current equal to line current. Okay, in case of open delta, phase current equal to line current, right? Okay, so कितना होगा in open delta, right ना? So I'm going to find the load in kVA, load in kilovolt ampere, load in kilovolt ampere. You can say load in S, it will be represented by S, and VV मतलब open delta connection. That is the load in kVA, SVV equal to क्या होगा, √3 VL IL, √3 VL IL. Okay, second, okay, load √3 VL कितना है on the secondary side, से secondary side, on secondary side क्या होगा, √3 VL कितना है 230 वोल्ट. लाइन वोल्टेज एंड फेज वोल्टेज विल बी सेम. सेकेंडरी साइड का करंट कितना है, सेकेंडरी साइड का करंट कितना, 1304. डेल्टा में निकाला था हमने 1304. सो इफ यू डू इट यू विल गेट, आई एम गेटिंग 1519.5 kVA. आई एम गेटिंग इट. इफ यू डिवाइड बाई 1000 kVA आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली लोड इन kVA on primary side, that is S1, primary side on S1 VV connection, same √3 VL IL. √3 VL क्या है, प्राइमरी साइड का वोल्टेज, that is 2300. IL कितना है 130.4. डिवाइड बाई 1000 करोगे तो यू विल गेट इन kVA. सेम आंसर यू विल गेट 519.5 kVA. Okay, so that is a kVA. Now that is the primary side. Clear? So you will observe that load कितने से कम हो गया, you are getting 519.5 here. Earlier कितना था, it was given 900. Clear? So we know percentage load decreased कितना आने चाहिए था 57.7% आने चाहिए था. We have studied in theory. Clear? तो वो आ रहा होगा. देखो देखते हैं 1/√3 टाइम से कम हो जाता. 1/√3 मतलब 0.577 राइट ना. दैट इज 57.7%. सो 1/3 रूट टाइम से कम हो जाएगा 900. अगर इसको करके देखेंगे तो यू विल गेट 519.5. यही आ रहा आंसर. सो सेम आंसर वी आर गेटिंग. लोड विल बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय 1/√3 times, that is 0.577. Okay, so you will get 519.5 kVA. So that is the answer we are getting. अभी आप चाहो तो इससे करंट्स निकाल सकते हो. करंट्स विल बी सेम. यहाँ पर लाइन करंट, प्राइमरी करंट I1 फेज कितना होगा, I1 और I2 सेम रहेगा. कितना 130.4 एम्पियर और ये कितना रहेगा 1304 एम्पियर. यहाँ लाइन और फेज का चक्कर ही नहीं रहेगा. एक फेज ओपन है तो राइट ना. लाइन करंट एंड फेज करंट सेम है राइट. So be careful about it, right? And that is the problem we have solved in case of VV connection. I am going to solve one more problem, right? So we will try to solve one more problem on VV connection. So I am rubbing it. This is the example number 2. I am going to solve a 400 kVA power factor is given 0.7, lagging, is supplied by 3 single phase transformers connected in delta delta. Each delta delta transformer is rated. Transformer rating. Each transformer rated is 200 kVA and 2300/230 volt transformer we have. Each transformer, right? If one transformer is removed from the supply, calculate for VV connection. So again this problem is for VV connection. First answer is what? Total kVA load carried by each. Total kVA load carried by each transformer. Now what was the load earlier? 400 kVA. 400 kVA. And अगर ओपन डेल्टा हो गया, VV कनेक्शन हो गया तो लोड विल बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय व्हाट? √3 टाइम्स. सो क्या आएगा ये? टोटल kVA लोड कैरिड बाय ईच ट्रांसफार्मर. टोटल लोड कैरिड बाय, तो टोटल लोड कितना हो जाएगा 400/√3 टाइम्स, दैट इज और 0.577 times of 400, you can say, right? It is approximately, if you use the calculator, you will get 230.9 kVA. That is the load. टोटल लोड इतना हो जाएगा, इतना कैरिड करेगा ये मैक्सिमम लोड विदाउट ओवरलोडिंग, राइट? ओके. Second answer, percentage rated load carried by each transformer. Percentage rated load carried by each transformer, percentage rated load carried by each transformer. ओके, सो कितना है, पहले कितना आया टोटल लोड 230.9 और अपॉन इस ट्रांसफार्मर कितना है 200 kVA का है, इट इज 200 kV डिवाइड बाई 200 into 100. So percentage rated load carried by each transformer is 115.45%. Right? So each transformer, that percentage rated load carried by each transformer is what? 115.5 times. That is the load in kVA in open delta VV connection upon kVA rating per transformer. kVA rating of transformer, each transformer in delta. So you will get this 230.9 upon 200 into 100. So you will get 115.5%. That is a percentage rated load carried by each transformer. Right? The next part, question number 3. So I am going to use another sheet. Okay. So I am going to use this. Now part 3. What is the part 3? The kVA rating of transformer bank in VV connection. kVA rating of transformer bank. kVA rating of transformer bank in VV connection. So क्या होगा है kVA rating of transformer VV connection क्या होगा? √3 times the kVA rating per transformer. kVA rating of transformer. kVA rating of transformer in delta. So √3 times kVA rating of transformer in delta कितना था 200. So kVA rating क्लियर 200 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आ जाएगा आपका 346.4 kVA. That is the kVA rating of transformer bank. इतना आएगा. Part 4. What is the question we have in part 4? Just I am going to back. Part 4. The ratio of VV bank to the delta bank transformer ratings. Ratio of VV to delta. Right? Ratio of VV to delta. So I am going to find ratio of VV connection to delta connection. Okay, that is the ratio. In VV connection, what is the rating? We have 346.4 upon delta connection में कितने ट्रांसफार्मर थे 3 और रेटिंग कितनी थी ट्रांसफार्मर की सबकी 200. So clear na? So that is the ratio you will get. Okay, so it is the ratio I am getting. It is obviously it is 57.7% आने चाहिए. If you multiply by 100, you must get 57.7. Okay, and the fifth part we have. What is the fifth part? percentage increase in load on each transformer when one transformer is removed. Percentage increase in load when in VB connection. Right ना, यही है ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Percentage increase in load when one transformer is removed, मतलब it is a VB connection. Percentage increase in load in VB connection. Question number part 5. Percentage increase in load in open delta or VB connection. That is a question. Okay. So original load कितना था? Original load per transformer कितना था? 400 kVA का था. And कितने ट्रांसफार्मर थे? 3. So divide by 3. So you can get the original load per transformer कितना आएगा? 400 upon 3, that is 133.33 kVA. इसका मतलब हर एक ट्रांसफार्मर इतना शेयर कर रहा था लोड. सो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज क्या होगा इन लोड? परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इन लोड क्या होगा? अभी कितना है पर ट्रांसफार्मर पर लोड कितना है पर जस्ट आई एम गोइंग बैक पार्ट 1. देखो टोटल केवीए लोड कैरिड बाय ईच ट्रांसफार्मर कितना है? 230.9 है. यही है ना? सो इट इज परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इन लोड क्या हो जाएगा? 230.9 अर्लियर इट वाज कितना शेयर कर रहा था? 133.33. that is the change divided by 133.33, and that is the percentage change in load, right? This minus this upon this. Okay, so you have to get 73.2%. that is a theory, you know, we have studied in theory. अगर आप 3 के बदले में ओपन डेल्टा हो गया तो ट्रांसफार्मर विल बी ओवरलोडेड and it will be loaded by 73.2%. Clear? So this part I had discussed in theory also, here also. Clear ना? इसका मतलब है आपको अगर आप ट्रांसफार्मर ओपन डेल्टा यूज कर रहे हैं तो मैक्सिमम लोड क्या कम करना है? आपको कम कर देना है. Okay? So it is overloaded by that way. So okay, so I am coming back. I had discussed these two problems, right, in open delta or VB connection. So I am stopping here only. Clear? You have to read this theory carefully and then you can solve these problems. These problems are slightly difficult. Okay, I am stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Now onward I will discuss the MCQ questions. I am developing two part 1 and part 2 MCQ question. These will be helpful for facing your competitive examination as well as the GATE examination. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.